One of my secret ingredients as a busy mom is having a lip stain, and one that will kind of make me look a little put together without being put together, taking care of two toddlers. So this was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always a Wicked Masterpiece. So this is the Wonderskin in the shade Whimsical Lip Mask. So the main thing about this, it looks scary when you first put it on. My kids are terrified. Oh my god, it's actually really funny because it just gives them kind of a jump scare because it actually is a little blue when you're putting it on. But the great thing about this too, it only takes a minute depending on how long you want the intensity of the color. You could leave it on for 20 seconds to a minute, and it's just going to peel off and leave you with a beautiful stain. But you want to be kind of precise where you put it. But I found, especially with this color Whimsical, that it's pretty forgiving with where you place it. So I'm going to first put it on where you want to place it. And generally, too, I like to start with the outer and line the lips and then kind of fill in. So I do have an even application, and I'm going to tell you while this dries the ingredients. This has a Hydro G complex, which moisturizes and boosts the skin firmness. Purified seaweed, which is rich in vitamins, minerals, and vital amino acids. This is also the dye, which is the blue. So it will actually kind of dye your lips a little bit, which is the stain, and squalene, which moisturizes and protects. I find that this is really a non-drying kind of product, which a lot of lip masks or lip stains really are and very uncomfortable. So that's why I tend not to use them. But as you can see, a pretty good coat. You'll see too, as soon as it dries, I will take it off. So let's pause and I'll wait a few more seconds. So now it's been like a minute. I'm gonna take my washcloth a little wet. And we're gonna rub, and then we're gonna see the color. As you can see, it's this beautiful, like almost My Lips but better kind of shade. And I find too, doing it with the washcloth really is the easiest for me. I'll just take my mirror and check. As you can see, the lip is just beautiful. It's a beautiful, like, popsicle kind of look. This too, I find is really easy because I'm a lip balm fanatic. That I just like to put on a lip balm, and then I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about my color smudging, and I don't have to worry about like kissing my kids and having my lipstick go everywhere. It is so easy. So if you're looking for one, definitely try this one out.